Hey, Chuck here. Just wanted to show you a little item that I got in the mail today. This, along with this, is some ammo, some surplus ammo. So, remember my video on the Mosin Nagant? Well, had to buy some ammo for it. So, I bought some surplus ammo. It says it's from Romania. Not sure. It comes with a can opener, and today we're just going to open this up and see what kind of ammo that we got. So it says here 7.62. Not sure what this says. If you're Russian, you might know, if you can read Russian. The white label says ammo 7.62 by 54R Romanian full metal jacket boat tail 149 grain 2800 feet per second surplus light ball ammo corrosive. So 440 count is what I'm thinking that means. So anyway, from here we'll just take this can opener and just start opening this thing up. I believe the date, I believe this is 1989. You can correct me if I'm wrong and let me know. But that's what I see here. So let's open up this sealed can. Ooh, that's 1989. Ooh, look at that. Got the lid off. It's a little keepsake there. Piece of cardboard. Thin piece of cardboard. Pop that out of there. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3. So let's go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 packages of ammunition. Look at that. Give you a little string to pull the first package out. Let's open up this first package and see what we have here. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks like a real decent shape. It's not even corroded. Looks like it's copper coated steel. Very nice. So let's see how many rounds are in this one little package. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4 packs of 20. There you go. That's what the 7.62 by 54 Russian corrosive primered 149 grain 7.62 by 54. Alright guys. So from here, hopefully in my next video you'll be seeing me shooting this Mosin Nagant with these. So if you like this video, subscribe, like it, share it. Have a great day.